Hey family, welcome to a haunted house. In today's video, we are doing a DIY large-scale art using a shower curtain. But we're about to get started with this DIY, so stick around. I'll show you how we do it. If you have not done so already, please subscribe to this channel below, give this video a like, and let me know what you think in the comment section below. Without further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay, so we start by cutting the wood for the canvas, and for that we just used straight cuts. So for the measurement for the canvas, we took the measurement for the shower curtain and subtracted 2 inches from each side to create the dimension for the canvas. We assembled the canvas using brad nails, and I also recommend making sure that you add both horizontal and vertical supports to your canvas to make sure that your canvas holds the shape once you begin to stretch your shower curtain or your fabric or whatever across your canvas. To stretch the canvas, we used clamps to hold the tension. Then we went back and attached the shower curtain to the canvas using heavy-duty staples.
All right, so we just created the canvas for the artwork. Now I am about to do the measurements for the frame. Stay tuned. All right, so I just put the 2 frame sides for the height. As you can see, that one's laid out, but being very precise. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing. Doing a 45-degree angle cut. As you can see it kind of slashed in half. Alrighty, I was able to get it. As you can see, it's not connected yet, but this is what it looks like. It's gonna be flush.
Okay, so David cut the wood for the frame, so I am about to spray paint it gold before we actually attach it to the canvas. Okay, so I actually used 2 different, really 3, but for the purpose of how it turned out, I would say 2 different spray paints. So for the base, I used this brown color, and I did that because I wanted to get a brassy look to it instead of like a pure gold, a yellow gold look. And then on top of it, I put this metallic gold leaf paint, and so that's why you have like the brown undertones and then the gold shimmer on top. And I think that this is the color that I'm going for, not too yellow. So we decided to attach the frame directly to the canvas. So we decided to do this project because we have a huge wall in the living room and we needed something that fit the scale of the wall, and we didn't want to do furniture because that wall also leads to the stairs, so we needed a nice open pathway. So we decided that art would be the best option to accommodate the wall. So this is how it turned out. Also, here is a close-up of the color of the frame. Let us know what you think in the comment section below if you have not done so already. Please subscribe to this channel for more content. Like this video if you have not done so already. And until next time, love Star.